Hey friends, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria Ayo. I am a local real estate agent in North and South Carolina. Today, I'm visiting this beautiful model home here built by MI Homes, located in Millbridge, which is in Waxhaw, North Carolina. So this home behind me here, the model is called the Blythe. It's a 5-bedroom home, 4 bath. It's a 3-car garage. You can see one right there. And then the other 2 would be over here, but they have been converted for office purposes right now. The square footage on this will be around that 3,700 square feet. Remember guys, more information about this home or this community will always be found in the description bar. So be sure to check it out and like this video and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Let's check out this home together. Hello there. So immediately we come in, we're gonna go over here to our right, which is into the formal dining area. Guys, one thing I love about this, as you can see kind of coming in, are how unique the ceiling is here. I love this pattern and even the paneling throughout the wall here. It's absolutely amazing. And of course, one thing that you can notice are the hardwood floors throughout the home. So this is very consistent with MI Home, as you've probably seen in one of my other videos, which if you haven't already, I will insert it right now. MI Home, you have the option to customize truly as you please. So check out this formal dining area here. This can easily fit 6 as seen here. I wouldn't try anything more than that, but it's a very awesome space here. And then we're gonna transition over here. One thing I love here is, this is really cool. So this is not actually storage. This is actually a doggy house, you know, so the door opens up for your dog, and then they have their little entryway here as well. So that's pretty cute and that's pretty neat. And you know, if you needed the extra storage space, you could always utilize that as a storage space. And then we're gonna transition to the kitchen area here. Similar to a lot of the other builders, you can most definitely pick your choice of cabinets here, your choice of the sink design, even your choice of countertop. MI does come with the completely stainless steel appliances as you've seen here, and it conveys with the gas range cooker as you see here. And one thing that I love that is kind of really unique is this wooden island here. How neat is that? It matches the floor vibe. So that's pretty neat and that's pretty awesome to me. So let's transition over here to the less formal dining area. So this less formal dining area is, it can easily sit 8 without feeling too cramped. So that's absolutely very nice. And guys, I love, if you've been following my channel for a while now, you know I'm a lover of natural light. So I like the fact that we have so many windows and glass doors here. It just allows that much more natural light to come in. We're gonna go over here to the living space area. This is by far one of my favorite living space areas in that it has this really high ceiling. I am a lover of high ceiling because it just opens up the room and it opens up the house. And I like the fact that, you know, you can kind of stand here and look upstairs and see what is going on upstairs. And guys, something that I really like as well are, it's very minor, but it's just 3 pillars, just 3 columns right here. I love it because it adds that much more style and that much more uniqueness to this home. There's a whole suite down here and it has its own bathroom. Let's check that out together. So what do you think of this room? It's a very decent sized room here. I like the fact that there is completely hardwood throughout the home here. And this bed easily is, this is a full-size bed, but I think you can get away with a queen in here. And as I've mentioned before, with MI, you can emulate kind of like the same concept that you see here. If you wanted it to be in your own home, you have that choice to emulate it in your home. And guys, check out this closet size. It's a very nice size closet. I love the 2 double door opening there. So that's pretty neat and that's pretty awesome. Let's go check out the bathroom. Within this bathroom, you have a walk-in shower here, but you do have that choice if you so prefer to make a tub, to put in a tub here. You know, you have your standard single sink here, your standard toilet, and that's about it, guys, for that bathroom. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on upstairs and we're gonna check out the rest of this home together. Come along with me. So we come upstairs here to this beautiful loft area. This loft area, guys, it's very nice. It's a quite spacious loft area. And I love the choice of color in this home. The warm colors and the neutral colors really make it feel that much more cozy. As you can see here, you have an idea of what you can do with this space here. You can set it up as, I would personally set it up as a play area, right? If you have children, or you can just have it as a lounge area and watch your TV here and just relax. So we're gonna check out this bedroom over here. This bedroom has been set up to be kind of like, you know, a twin bedroom or two children bedroom. It has the two twin beds. And one thing that I find very unique is this wall, the exposed brick wall here. I don't know, you don't see that very often in homes these days. So that's very unique and that's very neat. And one thing I love about this room is that it has its own ensuite bath. If you have children that are sharing this room, they have their own bathroom here. One thing I will say though, I do wish it was a double vanity sink, you know, like maybe two little ones for the younger ones to share. But other than that, guys, I really, really love the layout of this room. And it's a very nice sized closet here. Look how big this closet is. It actually extends further in, like look how far in we've gotten. And I love the fact that it has its own window here for natural light to seep in. So come along with me, let's check out. There are two other bedrooms we're gonna check out before we check out the last but not least, the owner suite. So come along, let's check it out together. All right, so if you remember, we're back through the loft area. We would have come up the stairs here. So we're just going right down here to check out the other two bedrooms. And let's go here to our left first and start with this bedroom. This bedroom, as you can see, it has lots of natural light penetrating. I think because of the positioning of the windows here in this room. And I like that, you know, I love the choice of furniture. I love white furniture because it just makes it feel that much more open in here. This, again, this is a full-size bed mattress, but you can definitely get away with a queen size, I would think. You would probably just need to eliminate that nightstand for something smaller, but you can most definitely put in a queen size bed in here. And let's check out this closet right here. It's a very nice size closet, although it's not as big as the one we just saw from the boys' room with a two twin bed. I think the closet could have been a little bit bigger in my opinion, but nevertheless, it's still a very, very nice size closet. Let's see the other room, what it has to offer. So this other room right now is set up to be an office space, which is not bad. I would probably do the same thing here, convert this one to an office space because it's a bit smaller in size compared to everything else that we've seen. And this closet space here is very, very similar to the one that we just saw in terms of width and depth. These two bedrooms here actually they share a bathroom right here, which I'll show you guys that right now. So we have this hallway bathroom here. It's just your standard tub, double vanity sink and toilet combo with the tile flooring throughout here. Last but not least, I know you guys have been waiting for it. We are now going to check out the owner suite, which is right across the hall. Come, let's check it out together. Voila! How lovely is this? One thing that I noticed that is different here in this owner's bedroom is that it's back to the hardwood, right? So I like the hardwood with the accent rug right here throughout the home. This is most definitely a king size bed actually. And I like this setup here, you know, with the couch, the lounge couch, where you can just kind of relax, have your morning coffee and look outside your window and just enjoy. So let's go over here and check out the ensuite bathroom here. So as you can see, you have your walk-in shower here. You have your tub to soak. You have one of your sinks here and you have the other sink here. I love the separation there because you don't have to be in each other's way, you know, in the morning as you're getting ready or whenever you decide to get ready. And I like the choice of flooring here throughout, which is the tile flooring here. And I like that you have your enclosed toilet here for your privacy. And then we're gonna go into the closet space here. The closet as well is completely hardwood. This is a very, very nice size closet. It's very spacious and I love the way it's been divided here. You can kind of have one side for you, for one spouse, and the other side for another spouse. So there you have it, friends. What did you think about this home? I would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Is there anything you probably thought, would go better with this home? I want you to share all that with me in the comment section. If you're interested in buying this home or interested in this community, go ahead and shoot me an email at victoriabao@costellorei.com. I would love to be connected to you. Feel free to follow me on my social media at Victoria BAO Realtor. And guys, as always, if you haven't already liked, please go ahead and like and hit that subscribe button so other people can find more about the Charlotte metro area with ease. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next videos. See ya.